Hey y'all, it's me, Bill Ferriter. And one of the questions that I've been getting a ton lately is, what do you do when students just aren't motivated in class? How do you get kids to be more engaged? How do you get kids to own their own learning, as opposed to being teacher dependent, waiting for us to direct their learning? Those are all questions that are on our minds. They were on our minds before COVID. I think they're on our minds even more so after COVID. We just want to see more motivated students. If those are questions that you have rolling through your mind, I want to invite you to come to one of the 2-day You Can Learn workshops that Tim Brown and I do for Solution Tree. He and I have spent a ton of time thinking about the best way to engage students as learners. And over 2 days, we share with you both the research behind how you motivate students and also very specific strategies and examples of what that might look like in your classroom. Doesn't matter if you're an elementary school teacher, a middle school teacher, a high school teacher, we've got examples for you. Come with a team and leave with a plan for helping your kids to be more engaged in class. All right, I hope to see you at one of our 2-day You Can Learn workshops over the next couple of months.